Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, we'll learn how to leave a review on Airbnb as a guest. First, go to airbnb.com and log into your account. At the top, click on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, select the trips in order to leave a review. In the review section, you'll see any pending or property reviews. If you've had any trips, they will be listed here for you to review. Since I don't have any trips currently, it shows no reviews. If you have trips, choose the one you want to review and write your feedback. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.